Hello YouTube. Here we are still testing Betaflight 3.5. Decided to go to a new spot because I ran out of footage earlier, space. So yeah, hope you enjoy the upcoming clips. Cheers. Double corkscrew! No. Hey, Rotor Riot.
No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for you. Oh no, with every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. I climb a mountain that's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and intertwine. When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart. When it comes to you, comes to you. Want you to share that. Cupid in a light arrow got your name on it. Oh yeah. Don't miss out on the love and regret yourself on it. Open up your mind, clear your head. Ain't gotta wake up to an empty bed. Share my life, it's yours to keep. Now that I give to you all of me. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls. like my mind right now. Stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Wish that I could slow things down. I wanna let go, but there's comfort in the panic. And I drive myself crazy, thinking everything's about me. Yeah, I drive myself crazy, cause I can't escape the gravity. I'm holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on to so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? You say that I'm paranoid, but I'm pretty sure the water's out to get me. It's not like I made the choice to let my mind stay so fucking messy. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I'm holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. Just so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. And I drive myself crazy, thinking everything's about me. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. So much more than I can carry.
Give it a little bit of a tune. I just put 5 on each of the P's just to stiffen it up a bit. And yeah, it seems to be smooth as butter. But yeah, time for another pack. I'm a bit paranoid about going across this bridge. I don't want to get halfway across and I lose signal. Look at that. Yeah. Because nothing but water underneath it. There's no land at all, so yeah, bit iffy. Oh, another clip coming up.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here. It's time to get swifty. You gotta get swifty. Oh yeah. Take off your pants and your panties. Shit on the floor. Time to get swifty in here. Gotta shit on the floor. I'm Mr. Bulldogs. I'm Mr. Bulldogs. Take a shit on the floor. Take off your panties and your pants. It's time to get swifty in here.
Show me what you got.
Morty, good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright, You gotta get swifty in here. It's time to get
Why don't you find a button on one of those keyboards and lay down some kind of beat?
I think we need to cut our losses when we get our family and Portal out of here.
Morty, good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Show me what you got.
Let's do it!
Yeah, I'd rather be a lover than a fighter. Cause all my life I've been fighting. Never felt a feeling of comfort. All this time I've been hiding. And I never had someone to come on. Oh, nah, I'm so used to shit. Love only left me alone. But I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been silent for too long. Quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long. I'm in need of a savior, but I'm not asking for favors. My whole life I feel like a burden. I think too much and I hate it. I'm so used to being in the wrong. I'm tired of caring. Loving never gave me a home. So I sit here in the
Yeah! That was cool as yeah. But yeah, I highly recommend these new PIDs. Betaflight 3.5, really good, especially for the all-in-one. Oh, it's not all-in-one. It's a receiver-in-one Mateksys board. Mateksys F411-One RX. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Cheers.
I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying.